Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Are you looking for a French press that is not only great for home use, but also for camping? This one from PortableAnd is an awesome French press that keeps your coffee hot and gives you awesome fresh brewed coffee. The metal canister has a silicone gasket as well as two filters. So when you're using it to actually press your coffee, it will give you fresh coffee without any coffee grounds. You don't have to worry about not having hot coffee when it comes to this French press. The French press manufacturer mentions 3 hours and you'll still get really piping hot coffee, but I found that it lasted much longer. Coming back to it as much to 5 or 6 hours, I still could pour a really hot, fresh steamed coffee. It pours very easily and it's very easy to clean as well. The inside is roomy, so you can get a sponge in and you can clean it out no problem, having it ready for the next time. I really like this because it's also a good size. It's 34 ounces of coffee. So if you had company over, this is more than enough to give everyone a fresh hot cup of coffee. This French press is definitely great quality and it will come in so useful whether you're having people over or if you're going to bring this with you on a camping trip. You'll have fresh hot coffee and coffee that comes out smooth and tasting wonderfully, and that's my point of view.